Welcome to this session on presenting your RAG project and effectively gathering feedback. In this module, we'll discuss how to showcase your project to stakeholders, peers, or domain experts, ensuring you highlight its key strengths while addressing potential concerns. We'll also explore strategies to gather actionable feedback that can enhance your project's effectiveness. By the end of this session, you'll know how to structure a compelling presentation and leverage feedback for continuous improvement. Let's get started. Step 1. Structuring your presentation. A well-structured presentation helps you clearly communicate your project's value. Include these elements. Introduction. Briefly describe the problem your project solves and its target audience. Example, our domain-specific RAG pipeline addresses the challenge of extracting relevant medical insights from clinical literature. Key features. Highlight the unique aspects of your RAG system, such as integration of domain-specific datasets, fine-tuning for retrieval and generation components, real-world applications like chatbots or summarization tools. Technical workflow. Provide an overview of the pipeline architecture, including data collection and preprocessing, fine-tuning retrieval and generative models, system integration and output generation. Results. Share key metrics and examples such as retrieval accuracy, user feedback scores, example queries and outputs, challenges and future plans. Be honest about limitations and share your roadmap for improvement. Step 2. Conducting a live demo. A live demonstration can effectively showcase your project's capabilities. Consider these tips. Prepare common use cases. Select queries that highlight your system's strengths. Example, summarize this clinical trial, or explain this financial report. Anticipate questions. Be ready to address common concerns or edge cases. Use real-time interaction. Allow the audience to test the system or suggest queries. Step 3. Gathering feedback. Feedback is crucial for identifying areas of improvement. Use these strategies. Feedback forms. Distribute structured forms with specific questions such as how relevant were the generated outputs? What improvements would you like to see? Interactive Q&A. Encourage live questions and discussions. Expert reviews. Engage domain experts to validate your model's outputs and provide insights. Step 4. Iterating based on feedback. Feedback is most valuable when it leads to actionable improvements. Analyze trends. Look for recurring feedback themes to prioritize changes. Implement quick wins. Address simple fixes immediately, like tweaking retrieval parameters. Plan larger updates. Use detailed feedback to guide significant revisions or feature additions. Consider presenting a healthcare RAG application to a panel of doctors and researchers. After demonstrating its ability to summarize clinical trials, the panel suggests incorporating EHR data for greater contextual accuracy. You then iterate on the model to include EHR compatibility and present the updated version. Presenting your project and gathering feedback is a vital step in refining and validating your RAG application. By effectively showcasing your work and embracing constructive feedback, you can build a more robust, impactful solution. Thank you for joining this session.